Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to unbox this. This is a brand new Apple iPhone 7 aftermarket LCD panel with a touch display. So as you can see, I got a customer right here brought me the broken iPhone 7 front display shatter. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. Oh my god, there's no cushioning or anything. Are you kidding me? They didn't put like a bubble wrap or anything like that, so hopefully it's not damaged. It's a little bubble right there, but it's a connector right there for your fingerprint scanner or your home button or your touch ID. So yeah, going to heat up this and then open like a book again and then test this new screen out before you take out all this blue sticker or the red sticker, and then this plastic cover for your headphones or your proximity sensor. So this one comes with the camera holder right there, the plastic clear. So if you purchase the one without it, you will need to remove from your old screen to put it on here. Okay. Well, yeah. Anyway, this is just my quick unboxing for this iPhone 7 black display. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell for notification or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.